Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today let's learn alphabet A. A is for apple. Letter B. B is for bear. Letter C. C is for crab. Letter D. D is for dog. Letter E. E is for elephant. Letter F. F is for fox. Letter G. G is for gorilla. Letter H. H is for house. Letter I. I is for ice cream. Letter J. J is for jellyfish. Letter K. K is for king. Letter L. L is for lion. Letter M. M is for mango. Letter N. N is for nut. Letter O. O is for orange. Letter P. P is for panda. Letter Q. Q is for queen. Letter R. R is for rabbit. Letter S. S is for sheep. Letter T. T is for tiger. Letter U. U is for umbrella. Letter V. V is for hen. Letter W. W is for watermelon. Letter X. X is for X-ray. Letter Y. Y is for yak. J. J is for zebra. Bye bye kids.